In this Gmail tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Gmail dark mode. Now, a lot of tutorials will tell you to go to this settings icon and then go down to theme and view all themes and then select this dark background. But that doesn't really work because when you click on this and everything seems to be in dark mode, it's actually not. If I click on any one of these emails, the email itself is still going to be blinding you in white. So what you need to do is use a feature in the Chrome browser that allows you to force dark mode onto any website. And so I'm going to back out of this and go back to our inbox. We'll turn this back to the default theme. And then what we're going to do is up here, we're going to hit the plus icon, open up a new tab. And inside of here, we're going to paste in the code that you can find in the description down below. Chrome flags and then enable force dark. And so we're going to hit return on that, and it's going to take us to the Chrome browser settings here, and it's going to take us right to this auto dark mode for web contents. And so you can leave that as default or you can enable it. And so when you enable it, it's going to force dark mode for all of the websites that you visit in Chrome. You do have to relaunch Chrome to do this, so we'll click this relaunch button down here. Once you relaunch Chrome, it'll take you back to the flags, and you can see now it's in dark mode. So if we click over to our inbox, you can see we have dark mode for everything. And when we click on an email, we also have dark mode for the emails. Now, of course, this might have some errors or issues with certain emails or certain graphics, but for the most part, this works really well. Now, this will create a dark mode for every website you visit. So if you're just surfing through Gmail and trying to reply to some things or work in it in dark mode and you want to have that setting, you can just paste this into your browser and turn it on for the time that you're doing that. And then if you want to go back to just normal browsing, you don't really want dark mode on anymore, you can just disable it or go back to default. And of course, you'll have to relaunch again to kind of reload that. And so once you relaunch, you're back to the default, and we go back to our email, and you can see that it's back to normal. And so that's how you can really turn on dark mode in Gmail and actually have it affect your emails as well, so that the whole thing is in dark mode and not just the outside of everything. And that's how you can turn on Gmail dark mode in the Chrome browser.